Hello people, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll learn what is baking and also the smoky eyes. So what is baking your makeup? Yes, today we'll learn how to do baking our makeup. But we start off with our rituals. Make sure you care your skin well before applying a makeup, and for that check out my last video in which I posted a skincare pack. Link will be given in the description box. And if you want to try this look, you can create with me. First I applied the toner and now I'm applying the moisturizer. It's from the Body Shop Cherry Blossom, and make sure you massage your skin well to circulate the blood. Now I am starting off with priming my eyes with a liquid concealer from Hilary Rhoda. And to blend that using a small beauty blender so that it can cover all the area of the eyelid. Here I am using the eyeshadow brush and using the shade Linen as a base color. It will pack the liquid concealer which we apply as a primer, and now I'm applying a dark shade that is Charming. It's a dark color which will give a depth to the eyes. Dark color need to be applied at the end, and then take your brush to the inner lid so that it gives a blending effect. After that, to remove the excess, take a brush having no powder, just blend it. Now to get a smoky effect, take a shade Universe that is slightly shimmery and dark, and take the eyeshadow brush from the London Pride. London Pride brushes are so good and I am happy with the result. And just drag the brush on the lid. To get the perfect inner lid shape, take a small contouring brush and move in an upward direction. Same will be done on other eyes. Now starting off with the primer, the face primer from Color Essence. Take your foundation brush and blend it all over to create a good soft canvas. Near my lips it's so dry, so I am priming it nicely so that it will give a soft. I'm done with my foundation and all the concealing part. Now I'm done the baking. Baking your makeup is so important. Baking your makeup, yes, it's when you put excess of loose powder on top of your concealer and foundation. This technique is for those who have oily skin, need to get long lasting effect, and if you are having time to get ready, you can bake with a fluffy brush or a blender or a sponge. These are the area where you bake the skin. And while you are baking your skin, you can leave it and you can start with the under eye makeup. Here I am applying the charming color with a pencil brush under the eye to give a big eye effect. Now after doing the under eye, you can remove it with any fluffy brush. Here your baking is done. Yes, your face is totally baked. Now you can have it. Baking gives a matte effect. You can see that it's looking so matte. Now applying the blush with the blushing brush. Make sure you apply it in an upward direction. Taking a mascara brush and just fill your eyebrows, it will look natural. Just using the brown and the black shade so that it will give a natural effect. It doesn't look so loud. Now after applying the kajal, my eyes makeup are done, and here our smoky eyes are ready and baking is done. So here I hope that you learn the baking and the smoky eyes, and you can see the difference of baking in the makeup. If you want to learn the fuller lips and how to make this shade, please comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Till then, bye bye.